Are you ready to take your brain health to the next level? Intermittent fasting may just be the secret weapon you've been looking for. Research has shown that intermittent fasting can have a profound impact on the health of your brain. By limiting the times when you eat, you allow your brain to work more efficiently and effectively, leading to a sharper mind and a healthier brain overall. So, what exactly is intermittent fasting? It's a simple concept that involves limiting the window of time during which you eat each day. This can be as simple as skipping breakfast and only eating during an 8-hour window, or as advanced as doing a 24-hour fast once or twice a week. But why does intermittent fasting work so well for brain health? The answer lies in the way that our bodies respond to periods of fasting. When we don't eat for an extended period of time, our bodies enter a state of ketosis, which is a natural process that helps us burn fat for energy. This state of ketosis also has powerful benefits for the brain. When our bodies are in this state, our brains start producing ketones, which are a type of molecule that can help protect our brain cells from damage and improve our cognitive function. In addition to these benefits, intermittent fasting has also been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which can have a positive impact on brain health. When our bodies are inflamed, it can lead to a range of health problems, including brain fog and memory loss. By reducing inflammation, intermittent fasting can help keep our brains functioning at their best. So, if you're looking to boost your brain health and improve your overall well-being, intermittent fasting may be the way to go. With its powerful effects on ketosis, inflammation, and cognitive function, it's a simple yet effective way to take your health to the next level. Try it out for yourself and see the difference it can make in your life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.